Vietnam is full of surprises, but there's one drink that will knock your socks off: snake wine. Yeah, you heard that right. A venomous snake floating in a bottle of alcohol. But wait, it gets even wilder than that. Step 1. Catch a deadly cobra or viper, drop it in a jar, and pour in rice wine or grain alcohol. Sounds insane? It gets weirder. They don't just kill the snake, they sometimes leave it alive to slowly infuse the venom into the drink. In many cultures, snake wine is believed to have medicinal properties. People think it can cure everything from back pain to impotence. Yeah, really. Some even say it boosts vitality and energy. It's like a traditional elixir with a venomous twist. Now here's where it gets absolutely insane. Snake wine isn't just dangerous, it's downright deadly. There have been cases where people died after drinking badly prepared snake wine because the venom wasn't fully neutralized. And get this, sometimes they even leave the snakes alive to keep producing venom. The idea? Stronger drink, more potency. But no guarantees you'll walk out alive after. But it's not just locals who are crazy for this drink. Tourists flock to Vietnam to try snake wine, thinking it's the ultimate adventure drink. I mean, would you? Would you drink a deadly snake preserved in alcohol and call it a delightful experience? Think snake wine is the only wild drink? Think again. In Thailand, they make cobra whiskey, where the snake is kept alive for weeks before being processed into whiskey. The kicker? They believe it makes you stronger, literally. Snake power in a bottle. And in China, they pour fresh snake blood straight into the wine. No thanks. But they say it boosts your energy and manliness. These drinks are all about raw power, literally. Snake wine might be a craze, but it's also controversial. The increasing demand for these drinks is leading to the endangerment of certain species. Is it worth the price of our wild creatures? So, would you try snake wine? Or is this one drink that's too wild for even the bravest of adventurers? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more strange, mind-boggling drinks from around the world. Catch you on the wild side, my friend.